The German foreign minister summed it up quite well. He said what Trump has done is make the Iran agreement a domestic plaything. In other words, domestic politics. When you look at Tom Cotton, you look at John McCain, you look at others in the Congress, that's exactly what he's done. And by doing that, he's assured that the nuclear agreement will fail, ultimately. Yeah. And then what you have is one choice, war. And that's what Tom Cotton, John McCain, bomb Iran, want.
That actually is frightening. So you think that Congress moving to impose new sanctions on a country that is in compliance with a deal that we made with them, that the end game of that is to provoke Iran enough that we can go to war?
Absolutely. I think we're doing the same thing we did in 2003, and believe me, I was very intimate with that process with Iraq. We're marching down the road to war. And as General Zinni said, if you think Iraq was a bad war, wait until you see Iran.
Yeah, and explain for people who don't understand why it would be so much worse than the already catastrophic, mess that we wound up in Iraq.
Well, the first thing you've got is the first visit Trump made was to the country who is, he said yesterday, he said in his remarks, he said Iran is spreading global destruction, chaos. Saudi Arabia is the one doing that. The bloody war in Yemen, which we're sad to say involved in with refueling and targeting intelligence and bombs, is the bloodiest war on the face of the earth right now, the greatest humanitarian disaster since World War II with cholera and starvation. We're part of that. Saudi Arabia at the other end, if you will, is destroying the Gulf Cooperation Council by its feud with Qatar. So the biggest threat in the world right now.
A feud that we've got involved in. We've taken sides against Qatar, who is an ally.
Absolutely. The Saudis are far worse than Iran, and we're getting ready to make that situation even worse, more profoundly destabilizing, by taking on Iran militarily. There's no other choice. If you say it's unacceptable, as Tillerson did, that Iran has a nuclear weapon, you either get it through diplomacy or you get it through war. I'll look at the camera right now and tell every GI out there, soldier, sailor, airman, Marine, Coast Guardsman, you've had 17 straight years of war. Get ready for 17 more.
Oh, my God.